Feeling chased by the monster of credit card debt? Well, it's time to turn the tables. We all know it's daunting, but guess what? You're not alone in this. Let's arm ourselves with strategies to outsmart the debt monster and reclaim your financial freedom. The first step in our battle plan, knowing your enemy. It's crucial to map out your debts, jotting down balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. A clear understanding of your financial battlefield is vital. Knowledge is power. And now that we know what we're up against, we can start to strategize. Now let's talk tactics. We have a few strategies in our arsenal. First up is the debt snowball method. This is like a snowball rolling downhill, building momentum. You start by paying off your smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the rest. This gives you the satisfaction of quick wins, motivating you to keep going. Next, we have the debt avalanche method. This one is more about playing the long game. You focus on the debt with the highest interest rate, paying it off first to save on the total interest over time. You might also consider a balance transfer to a card with a 0% introductory rate. This can give you a breather from interest accumulation, but watch out for transfer fees and the end of the promotional period. Another strategy is a personal loan for debt consolidation. This can simplify your payments and potentially lower your interest rate. Lastly, don't be shy about negotiating with your creditors. They may be willing to work with you to lower your interest rate or agree to a more manageable payment plan. Choose your weapon wisely. Remember, the goal is to pay off debt as quickly and efficiently as possible. Once you've started to attack your debt, it's crucial to maintain your momentum. Build an emergency fund, hit pause on credit card use, and explore ways to trim expenses and boost income. Remember, consistency and commitment are key. Your financial freedom is within reach, and each step you take is a step closer to your goal. Now you're ready to face the debt monster head-on. You've mapped your debts, chosen your battle strategy, and prepared the battlefield. Remember, every dollar saved or earned is a weapon against debt. For more tips on managing your finances, subscribe to our channel. Together we can conquer credit card debt.